Hi there, Mark here again, and today I just wanted to showcase a new addition to the channel and my RC collection, and also to give a massive thank you and shout out to the person that sent it. This is just fantastic for me, as I've never owned a DF02, although I've always wanted one. And as you'll see, this one is rather special. The DF02 came out in 2003, so I think this one is actually about 20 years old. And you might also see from the price tag there, it's from Martin's Models and Crafts, and it was $124.99. I think this one's probably worth a lot more than that now. The box, as you can see, has seen better days, but we'll just take a look and you'll see the buggy is in a much better state. So, let's take a look. So this beautiful buggy was donated or gifted to me by a follower and friend of the channel whose name is Corin. And he said he wanted to send me this gravel hound that he'd restored. So here it is, and isn't it bloody gorgeous? I've got to tell you, when I got this out of the box and started to have a good look over it, I was definitely a little bit taken aback and a little bit overwhelmed, to be honest with you, because as you'll see, we'll just have a good look at it. Corin has restored this to an exceptional level, I've got to say. If you look at the bodywork, it looks pretty new. There are tiny little scuffs on the side, so I know that it has been run, but you can hardly notice. But let's have a look at the chassis. So you can see in there it's all completely stock, and look at the shine on that. It looks like virtually every part's brand new. If you look underneath, I can't see any scuff marks on that, so I'm just assuming he's put a new chassis on it. The wheels look brand new. Hope you can see that in there. It looks like the dog bones and the drive cups, they all look absolutely brand new. It looks like a used motor, but very nicely cleaned up, the standard silver can. It's got a period ACOMS receiver in there. He even sent the original ESC, which is a TEU 101BK ESC, and again, this thing doesn't look like it's been used either. It looks brand new. Like I say, whether it is or not, I'm not sure, but the condition of the thing is just, it's blown me away, it really has. Hope you can hear that shock. Lovely new oil in there by the sound of it, and there are no scuffs whatsoever on the body of the shock, so I don't think it's been run, to be honest with you. But certainly if it has been run, all the parts have been cleaned up or replaced, and it looks like absolute mint. It looks brand new to me. I can't really get over it. The suspension seems to be set up nicely. It's a little bit soft, but I think that'll be great just on a light run in the grass. But here's my dilemma now, guys. What do you think? Should I run it? It's almost too good to run a 20-year-old buggy that's in this kind of condition. I don't know what to say to you, Corin. Well, just thank you. The thing is just gorgeous, and yeah, just to look at in my collection is one thing, but whether I should run it, I don't know. I always run all of my cars, and I feel like I should run it, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So I know I never normally ask, but in this case I'm going to make an exception. So for this one, I'm going to ask if you'll put a great big thumbs up on this video. Basically send the good feelings and a thumbs up to Corin and people like him out there who make this world a better place, and for this wonderful hobby that we share. Just shows we've got a fantastic RC family that we're in here on YouTube, and yeah, I'm just so pleased to be a part of it. So thanks to all you guys out there as well that follow along and support my channel. It's really appreciated, and all that leaves for me to say is the usual: thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.